Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to reorder pins on Pinterest or how to rearrange pins on Pinterest. First, you want to tap on your profile pic in the bottom right hand corner. Then, you're going to select the group of pins that you would like to rearrange. Next, you're going to tap on Organize, as you can see at the top of the page right below your profile pic. From here, you can simply press down on the pins. Then you can move them into the position that you would like them to be in. And that's how to reorder pins on Pinterest. Again, all you have to do is simply press down on the pin and you can move it into the position that you would like it to be in. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.